Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Jason Aldean here. Let your boys be country. Alright, so if you love country music and you love guitar playing, this one is a great choice to start your guitar journey, perhaps. It's a very easy song to play and handle. So let's take a look at this one. We have 4 chords here to handle. And yeah, we're going clean here. No need for any cape on this one. Okay, there are some bar chords here, but I believe it's a great way to just jump into this bar chord world here. And yeah, just take the bull by its horn and do it. Let's take a look at the chords. First off, the F chord here, that's a bar chord, bar placed on the 1st fret. So you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord is the A sharp sus version. We're going to go with the sus, a little bit easier. So you stay with the bar here on the 1st fret. You don't need to bar all strings now, just 5. So from bottom up, you bar like this, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And then we have C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that's actually all chords we need. 3 chords, not 4, so it's actually easier than I just start out with. So F, A sharp, and the C, that's what we need for this song. So let's grab the 1st chord, the F. We're going to learn the strumming pattern here for the song. So it's a total of 6 downs, but you want to emphasize the 4th down of it. So you're going to play on the bass strings for all the downs except for the 4th down. You're going to play a little more down here, the higher notes. Okay, so you're going to play 1, 2, 3 on the bass, and the 4th down you go down here, and you continue with 5 and 6 on the bass strings. So total 6 downs, so it will be bass, 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 top, bass, bass. That is 1 string around. So slowly it goes like this. And the standard tempo, couple rounds to get the feeling for how it sounds. It goes. Alright, so we have 2 parts actually. Only we have the verse play and the chorus play. So the verse play is F 2 string rounds, A sharp 2, C 2, and back to F2. So it both starts and ends with an F. So to go over into the 2nd round, so to speak, of this chord progression will be F2, A sharp 2, C2, F2, and then F2 again, of course, and then the next round and so on. So 1 round of the verse play will be. And then next round. So on. Alright, so that's the verse play. The chorus play is very easy, okay? So you're gonna just alternate between 2 chords, and that will be the F and the A sharp. So you're gonna play F for 2 rounds, then A sharp for 2 rounds, and that's 1 round of the chord progression. You go back then to F2, A sharp 2, back and forth. So a couple rounds. Then at 2 minutes and 9 seconds or 10 seconds or so into the song comes an instrumental part. Nothing new there. You're just gonna continue with the chorus play, the F and the A sharp for 2 rounds, and then back again into the game. So that pretty much covers Jason Aldean's Let Your Boys Be Country. So 4 chords, no, actually not 4 chords, 3 chords still, and 1 single strumming pattern that works through the entire song. So hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please let me know, give me a like on this one, and perhaps subscribe, get into this family, Gordon Guitar family, and yeah. Take care, guys. Till next time, play tuned.